In this video, I will show you how to select seat in British Airways. So in order to select a seat on British Airways, you can head over first and then book your flight. So during booking, you can already add or you already have the option to choose your seat using the booking process. However, you can also add a seat after booking. You can just access your flight details and change or view the seats that you have purchased. So for example, let's input right here a return flight for this particular date and I'll just find the flight to that. Now you can see in here some flight options. Just head over and then choose which one. I'll just choose in here this economy for this one and you can either select economy basic or economy standard. I'll head over and choose in here this economy standard and click on the select. And then once we have done that, we should be able to choose in here a return flight. So I'll just choose in here this one and I'll choose in here the standard one. And then once you have done that, it should be able to show us the summary of the page. Now from in there, click on the discontinue to see. And then once you have done that, we should be able to choose the seats that we can book from in here. So we have in here some seats chart. So just choose in here the seat chart that you would want. I'll choose in here this particular seat of window seat. So this for the first flight. Click on to the next flight and you can head over and choose the passenger details as well as seat selected for that one as well.